Today, I'm excited to share an exclusive deal for developers and tech teams looking to take control of their application performance.
Let me introduce you to SentryKit, a cutting-edge error monitoring and performance analytics tool designed to help you catch bugs early, track issues in real time, and optimize your app's stability.
Use code SKWELCOME20 at checkout through the link in the video description to get 20% off your purchase. SentryKit stands out because of its user-friendly interface and powerful diagnostic features. It provides you with detailed reports on errors and crashes, enabling you to quickly identify and fix issues before they affect your users.
Whether you're developing web or mobile applications, SentryKit's seamless integration into your workflow makes monitoring performance easier than ever. The platform's proactive alerts and insightful analytics give you the confidence to scale your projects without worrying about unexpected downtime or glitches.
One of the best aspects of SentryKit is how it simplifies the debugging process. With clear, actionable data at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions and improve your app's overall performance. This not only saves time but also enhances user experience and reliability. And now for some exciting news. You can get 20% off on SentryKit by using the promo code SKWELCOME20 at checkout. Just head over to the link in the description and enter the code to enjoy your discount. If you're ready to elevate your application monitoring and streamline your debugging process, give SentryKit a try.